All right, so listen, so I want to come on here and just talk about I want to talk to the traders, right? So my name's Amari. In my 20s, I got started in the crypto foreign exchange world when I was about 20. I forgot how old I was, but it was 2018. I remember taking my first trade. And it was amazing because I saw the fact that you can make an exorbitant amount of money in a little bit amount of time, and you didn't need a lot of capital to do so. So, what I'm gonna say is I'm gonna give you really quick. It's gonna be a short video, a quick guideline on what you need to do in order to get started. I'm talking to all the beginners, everybody who's interested in cryptocurrency and interested in trading, leverage trading, foreign exchange. I'm just gonna give you a quick tips, right? So the first thing you want to do is you want to go and you want to learn the terminology, right? So what I would do is I would go to something called babypips.com, right? And this is how you can learn for free. There are paid courses and services out there that you can go and you can learn. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you, and you go to babypips.com, right? Let me share my screen. Right, babypips.com. This is what babypips.com is. And what you're going to do is you're going to start from the beginning, right? You're gonna understand the terminology. So before you get into actually trading a pair, right? Leverage trading a pair, whether it's cryptocurrency, USDT, US dollar versus the yen, Japanese yen versus the USD, whatever it is, you want to learn the terminology because when you learn the language, it's easier to translate what is happening in the world, right? It's like when you go to another country. I remember back in the day, I went to China. And before I went to China, I got a little book and I was learning all the terminology I could. So when I got there, it was easy to translate and transact between myself and the natives that lived there, right? So here, very simple. You're gonna go to what's called Learn Forex, right? And you're gonna go to Start Learning. Very simple. Very simple. You're gonna go here. It's going to teach you how to trade Forex, right? Boom. You can check your progress. What is Forex? How do you trade Forex? When can you trade Forex? Who trades Forex? Why trade Forex? Right? You're going to start here. You're going to go all the way through the course outline, all the way through the course outline, right? And you're going to do that. So now you're learning, and then you can go through, learn crypto. What is crypto? The crypto guy. So dope. So let's learn crypto, because everybody wants to invest, but nobody wants to learn how these assets work, right? You have crypto quizzes, but so then what you're gonna do is, so after you go through the terminology, after you learn, a little bit about, Forex, a little bit about a crypto and whatnot, then what you're gonna do is you're gonna open up a brokerage account. Now, in this crypto space, there is a lot of uncertainty when it comes to brokers because brokers are getting clipped left and right because they're not licensed and they're not regulated, and they have like they're in order to trade you have to have a platform, and they're tied to third party platforms. So the broker that I decide to use is what's called Sway Markets. Now Sway is licensed, it is regulated through ASIC, and it's a newer broker, but it's making a lot of noise, and the withdrawals are happening pretty fast, and they're trusted. They've had some glitches, but they've always paid out for the glitches, and that's something that you never see, because there's brokers out here where if something happens, you could run up an account from $1,000 all the way to $10,000, but when it's time to withdraw your money, you ain't getting the money. And I've been a part of this industry so long where I've been able to see these things on the back end, now because I'm more educated on the broker space and not just the trading space. I'm able to see these things. Um, so I will use Sway Markets. This is what it looks like. Let me pull it up really quick. And you would open up a demo account. So you open up a demo account. You would practice before you actually put in your physical money. You open up a demo account, and I would say practice for 30, 60, 90 days. You practice for 30, 60, and 90 days, and then boom, you'll be able to go in and actually take a trade. right? Because trading has nothing to do with, honestly, it's 20% technical analysis, 20% um, support resistance, but it's really like 80, 70, 80, 90% psychological because you have to get over your self-doubt when you're trading and not revenge trade and not try to get back into the markets. And if you have a goal, set your goal 1%, 2% a day, 1%, 2%, 3% a week. And so this is what Sway Markets looks like, licensed and regulated. And then they actually have their own platform um, called Sway Charts, which is pretty dope. You know what? Let me join the newsletter really quick. And yeah, so you have Sway Charts that you can download. This is dope. They have their own trading platform. And so that's where I would start. So if you're new, if you're a beginner in trading, if you're interested in trading, if you're watching this video, I would say definitely get started with Baby Pips. Check them out. Learn the terminology. Learn what a support and resistance is. Learn what a pip is. Learn what 0.1 leverage is. 0.10 leverage is. Learn what a lot is. Learn what the terminology behind trading. Even learn crypto. Same thing. And then open up a demo account. I prefer Sway. I use Sway. I'm not going to tell you what to use. I'm just going to tell you what I use and why I use it, which is Sway Markets. If you want to create a free demo account or a free account with Sway, go down below in the link right here, the link down below. Go and create your free account, and you can even join our group chat with Sway, and we go from there. So that's all I want to say, and I'm out. Make sure you secure your future. Oh, like, subscribe, and share this video as well if you got some value from it. I'm out.